Hi.
Hi.
We just done surfing and bodyboarding. We hired surfboards and bodyboards. I got a pink one.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the.
And we're at NOOSA because I haven't vlogged anything.
Oh, they don't know.
They don't. They don't know.
You don't know.
Oh wait, we've got no light.
Oh, there we go. It's really better.
There we go.
We've been in NOOSA since Tuesday, Wednesday. But you got on Tuesday.
Yeah. Well, I've been poorly, but now I'm better. Then what have we done?
I did the Everglades. I've just been beaching. Beaching our way and eating.
And eating a lot with bad backpackers. Although
We
I got
found the little old lamb. Little fat lamb.
little fat lamb cider, the one that I drank in at surf camp, but it blew our head off. We had like one can and we were like, cannot go any further.
Go on, what were you gonna say?
Oh, today I had the kids spaghetti bolognese.
Oh yeah, that was enough though.
It was.
I got a large pizza, so I had some on the beach.
So, living the backpacker life. I went for the kids spaghetti bolognese.
I went for the ultimate pizza.
I saved a lot of money and I got a free little drink with it.
And we're gonna go to the fairy pools
Today, we're doing the really long walk,
in the sun,
even though we are exhausted.
to get those instas.
Oh, check out the Instagram here.
They're going strong.
It's going very well.
Ready,
Right.
let's go.
Bye.
Cool.
Get out, bitch. So we've come to a cafe
Again, pricey.
to have a Coke with ice because we just wanted a drink.
Cold.
2 seconds later, we're ordering a Bloody Mary and an espresso martini
The alcoholics we are.
for $18 each.
Yeah, but like in pounds, that's alright.
What's half of 18?
9. Quick maths. I think that's reasonable.
I think we should treat ourselves because
We've surfed, we've bodyboarded,
we're not going out tonight. We've got to check out tomorrow.
and we're gonna go on a big long walk.
I can't even speak.
We haven't done all of it.
Bye. How am I going to drink? Oh, there's a straw. It's probably the spiciest one I've ever had.
You're saying it's spicy? Damn. That must be so. You can see all the pepper on it.
I love pepper. Going like Backpacker Life Part 2. Giant burger. A drink that tastes like goon. Hello. It's our last day in NOOSA today, so we've come to the national park to go to the fairy pools. We attempted last night in the pitch black, Probably not the best idea.
Didn't work, we didn't see anything. We saw a lot of frogs, so now it's not actually as scary as it was last night.
No, it's very, very pretty. Apparently we have to like climb down rocks though, it's like off the beaten track. So we'll see how that goes.
Just gonna go and get our Insta.
And then leave.
And then
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling.
Here are the fairy pools. Look, there's one there, we should go in that one, but that one's the one that everyone takes photos from. How am I going to get out there? Stuck in the ferry pool because the waves keep taking her. This is why I didn't go in this one.
We are shadows in the neon light.
She's actually drowning, I'm just videoing her. Grab a rock, go, go, go. Got it? We went to the ferry pools. I went in the part that had the most rocks. So when the wave came, I basically crashed into all of the rocks and I've cut myself.
Yeah, I cut myself as well. I went into the other part that looked really pretty, but then the current was really strong. So then I couldn't get back out, and really deep. I couldn't touch the floor, so I couldn't get back out because the rocks are really slippery to get back up. That was quite scary.
Yeah.
And I cut myself as well.
Yeah. We're injured, but we got the Instagrams!
All that matters. And you got complimented.
Oh yeah, someone said that my bikini was really nice and that I'm really good at posing, so thank you!
They made. I thought that's what our trip's been about.
Oh, and now we're going to swimmy in the sea.
Yay! And then we've got to coach.
Yeah, but it's only 2 hours.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave here now.
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. Conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. Busting through the ceiling, busting through the ceiling.
We're now waiting for the bus. Wait, I can't name anything. We're waiting for the bus. Leaving NOOSA.
Yeah. Bus is a little bit late though.
And I can't move, this bag is too heavy.
I've arrived in my pyjamas.
And Lisa's ready for bed.
Oh no, tragic.
I've got like 10
10
million bags. Multiple phone chargers because my phone is going to die. I don't want to sleep on a 2-hour bus though.
I want to watch Netflix.
I got a Coke. I found a vending machine.
Wherever Elisha goes, Coke goes.
The man on the coach said that this service station has the largest kangaroo. So we thought that we would see a kangaroo. This is the largest kangaroo. Trying to stroke it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah. I'll just touch it.